Greetings, welcome to Smartwatch Guide. Today let's review and compare two amazing smartwatches. They are IWO13 W56 smartwatch and IWO14 W66 smartwatch. Both of the watches come from the same brand of Demor. Okay, let's have a look at the two watches. On the left side, the black-white color is the IWO13 W56 smartwatch, while on the right side, the black color is the IWO14 W66 smartwatch. Okay, let's compare the appearance first. Both of the two watches are the same size in 44 mm. Let's look at the right side. On the right side of the watch case, both of the two watches have two buttons, one round ground digital button and one power button. And between the two buttons, there is a small hole for the speaker. On the left side, there are two holes for the speaker and the microphone. Let's have a look at the back. We can see there are differences at the back. At the center there, the IWO13 W56 have 4 small heart rate monitor sensor, while W66 has only one round heart rate monitor sensor. So the heart rate sensor are different between the two models. Okay, let's turn on the button. We can long press the power button for about 5 seconds to turn on the screen. We can see the default watch face are different. The W56 in white color has a blue color background watch face, while the W66 in black color has, on the right side, has a colorful watch face. And both of the two watches can scroll the round crown button to change the watch faces. The W56 has 50 different watch faces in total. It has also have the same watch face in W66. And let's try to scroll the digital crown button on W66. It also works. But it has only 4 installed watch faces. But we can install a new watch face with our own personal photos as the watch face. So we can customize the watch face with our own photo and picture. And we can also long press the screen to switch the watch faces by sliding through the screen from left or right. Okay, let's check the menu icons. We can see the menu icons are different. At the first row on the W66 is the sports pattern, different sports patterns, while on W56 in the first row the menu icons are the camera, clock, stopwatch, calculator, and a gesture. On the second row is music, sleep monitor, heart rate monitor, and language, while on W66 is the brightness, display settings, heart rate monitor, ECG, temperature. So the layout of the menu icons are different between the two models. Okay, let's slide through the screen from top to bottom to see the status bar. We can check the QR code for the application of the watch. We can see the QR code are different, so both of the two watches are used different application to be installed on our smartphone. The W56 is the M-Active app, while the W66 uses the application of Fit Cloud Pro. We can scan the QR code to download the application on your smartphone to connect with the watch. And on the right side, we can see the about the watch. Both of the device name are Watch 6. And on the second, on the right side, the status bar are different. The W66 is the tap to add new alarm, while on W66 is the headphone mode. When turned on, normal calls and music are available. So this is the difference on the status bar. Okay, let's check out the sports mode. We can see the font on the W66 are bigger than W56. Let's compare the different sports patterns. They are walking, running, climbing, cycling, basketball, badminton, table tennis, football, yoga. On W66, there are more sports patterns such as yoga, ping pong, rope skipping. So we think W66 has more sports functions than W56. Okay, let's change the menu style to line grid mode to compare the menu icons more easily. The first page, second page, third page, we can see on W56 the first page is the phone book. Make call and call history message, while on W66 there are pedometer, sleep monitor, heart rate monitor, blood pressure measurement, and temperature measurement. There are sports function and health function. On the first page on the W66, because it's a sports smartwatch. On the second page on the W56 is the sleep monitor, heart rate sensor monitor, pedometer, temperature and blood pressure measurement. So it's on W56 is on the second page. The third page, we can see the camera, stopwatch, calculator, gesture, language settings, and blood oxygen simplicity reminder. While on W66 is the sports mode, alarm, stopwatch, and brightness adjustment. So these are the two different smartwatches. Because the price of between the two models are different, so the functions of the two smartwatches are different. So you can choose your preferred models for you when you after you saw this video. Okay, thank you for seeing this our video. See you again.